Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today we are going to do iterating odd numbers with a for loop, and this is continuing on our FCC playground. So for loops don't have to iterate one at a time. Like so far we've been doing adding one at a time in the loop, right? The iteration is one, but here we are going to change that. By changing our final expression, we can count by even numbers. So let's see how it can be done. Like in this case, we are going to start with initial number variable I equal to 0. That is, initial starting point is 0. The condition is I is less than 10, and the iteration is I plus equal to 2. It means I is equal to I plus 2, which means every time you are adding, you will be adding with 2. Plus 2, not plus 1 like plus that we had last time. And then our array dot push I. So our array will now contain 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, y, because first you are adding, first is initial number 0, then add 2, then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2, and so on until it is less than 10. So here in your code we are supposed to add odd numbers. That means everything else will remain the same. Even the condition will remain the same, the iteration statement will remain the same, but initial value will change. Why? Var I is 1. So the setting point will be 1. Why? Because in the loop, according to the task, the first number has to be 1, starting with 1, and then it has to be odd numbers. So even if you do simple arithmetic, you see that if you add 1 plus 2, it is 3. Then again 3 plus 2, it's 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Last time it was odd numbers by initiating I as 0 and having the iteration as 2. But here, by just changing the initial value as 1 and then having the same iteration as plus equal to 2, if you see my array dot push I, you will get all odd numbers. So it will be 1 plus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, because it's less than 10. So let's see. There you go. So this is iteration for getting odd numbers, starting with 1 until 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And as you can see, for even numbers, everything was same, but you were just starting with 0. So 0 plus 2, 4, 6, 8. So here it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So submit and go to the next one, which is count backwards with a for loop. We'll be doing that in the next lesson. Until then, see you. Take care, wear a mask. Also, don't remember to subscribe in order to be kept in the loop for training JavaScript.